Hi guys, here is how you can trim audio using a VLC Media Player. So here is a sample music from Simpleton Tunes. Let me open this with the VLC. Right click and open with VLC Media Player. I will pause the music and drag this to 0. After this, go to Tools and click on Preferences and click on Input Codec. And in this record directory or file name, click on Browse and select the folder to save recordings. I will keep it to the desktop, so it's on desktop, and save it. After that, go to Views and click on Advanced Control. You will see these options. Change the toggle as you want to trim. I will set it to 0 and click on Record and play the music. And stop the recording and pause the music. Make sure to use the toggle where you want to start trimming. So this is done, and here is the trimmed audio on the desktop. Let me open it with the VLC again, or you can use any player. So you can see it is now a trimmed 8 seconds audio. And by the way, if you do not have VLC, simply go to this website or Google VLC Player and download and install it. Thank you very much.